If you're a filmmaker looking for affordable full-frame cinema lenses, Sirui has just expanded one of its most interesting lens families. The company has introduced 3 new additions to the VP-1 Vision Prime lineup: the 15mm T1.6, the 75mm T1.4, and the 150mm T4 macro. Together, these lenses complete a much more versatile cinema kit, giving filmmakers everything from dramatic ultra-wide shots to beautiful portrait images and detailed macro close-ups. The best part is that Sirui continues to focus on delivering professional cinema features without asking you to spend thousands of dollars on every lens. At first glance, these lenses look almost identical to the original VP-1 series. That is actually good news because consistency is one of the biggest advantages of a professional cinema lens set. Every lens shares nearly the same size, gear placement, and overall design. This means that if your camera is mounted on a gimbal, shoulder rig, or cinema cage with a follow focus and matte box, changing focal lengths becomes much faster. You don't need to move accessories every time you switch lenses. That may sound like a small detail, but during professional productions, it saves valuable time. The biggest headline here is the new 15mm T1.6. Ultra-wide cinema lenses are usually expensive, especially when they cover a full-frame sensor. Sirui manages to offer one with a bright T1.6 aperture, making it useful for low-light environments while still giving filmmakers a very dramatic perspective. Whether you are filming architecture, landscapes, travel documentaries, interiors, or action scenes, the 15mm creates a huge field of view that feels immersive. Compared to a typical 24mm lens, the difference is much larger than the numbers suggest. Your shots instantly feel more cinematic and expansive. The second new lens is the 75mm T1.4, and this is probably the lens many filmmakers will use the most. A 75mm focal length sits right in the sweet spot for portraits, interviews, narrative filmmaking, weddings, and commercial videos. Combined with its extremely bright T1.4 aperture, this lens can produce beautiful background separation and soft cinematic bokeh. It also performs well in darker locations where adding extra lighting isn't always possible. The shallow depth of field helps isolate subjects while giving footage a premium cinematic look. Then we have the 150mm T4 macro. On paper, the T4 aperture might sound slower than the other lenses in the lineup, but that's expected because this lens is designed for macro work. Macro lenses prioritize close focusing and image quality over maximum aperture. Sirui says this lens offers up to 1.5x macro magnification, making it suitable for capturing product videos, nature, jewelry, food, textures, and extremely detailed close-up footage. Even though the aperture is smaller, the longer focal length naturally produces excellent background compression and attractive subject separation. One feature that deserves a lot of attention is compatibility. Every VP-1 lens comes with a native Sony E mount, but Sirui includes interchangeable mounts for Canon RF, Nikon Z, and Leica L cameras. That means you don't need to buy completely different versions of the same lens if you change camera systems in the future. Whether you're using a Sony mirrorless camera today or decide to switch to Canon or Nikon later, the same lenses continue working with simple mount changes. This flexibility makes the investment much more valuable. The optical design also sounds impressive considering the price. Sirui uses aspherical elements together with high refractive index glass to improve sharpness while reducing chromatic aberration. According to the company, the lenses also minimize distortion and focus breathing. Focus breathing is something filmmakers pay close attention to because it can make focus pulls look distracting. Keeping breathing under control creates smoother and more professional-looking transitions. Another important feature is the multi-layer nano coating. Lens coatings help reduce flare and ghosting when bright light sources enter the frame. Whether you're filming sunsets, concerts, city lights, or scenes with practical lighting, better coatings help preserve contrast and reduce unwanted reflections. Professional cinema lenses also need accurate manual control, and Sirui includes several useful features here. Every lens uses standard 0.8 mod gears, making them compatible with industry-standard follow focus systems. They also feature a long 270-degree focus throw, giving focus pullers extremely fine control over focus adjustments. The aperture ring is completely stepless, allowing smooth exposure changes while recording without visible jumps. Another strength is the consistent design philosophy across the entire VP-1 lineup. All 6 lenses now share similar dimensions and weight, making lens swaps much easier. This matters especially for filmmakers using motorized gimbals because changing lenses often means rebalancing the entire setup. With a matched cinema lens family, downtime between shots becomes much shorter. Coverage is another strong point. Every VP-1 lens covers a 46mm image circle, which is large enough for modern full-frame mirrorless cameras and even many open-gate recording modes. That means filmmakers can confidently use these lenses on cameras capable of recording high-resolution video without worrying about heavy vignetting. Image quality will ultimately determine whether these lenses succeed. While these new focal lengths have only recently become available, the earlier VP-1 lenses built a reputation for delivering sharp images, pleasing contrast, and cinematic color at an affordable price. The new additions appear to continue that same optical philosophy while expanding creative possibilities with much wider and much longer focal lengths. Of course, there are a few compromises. The lenses are completely manual, so there is no autofocus or electronic communication with the camera. For photographers, that could be a limitation. But for cinema production, manual focus is usually preferred because it provides consistent and repeatable control. If your primary work involves filmmaking instead of photography, this won't be a major drawback. The 150mm T4 may also feel relatively slow compared to the T1.4 lenses, especially for low-light work. However, considering its macro capabilities, the trade-off makes sense. Macro optics require a very different design, and achieving high magnification while maintaining image quality is often more important than having an extremely fast aperture. Pricing is where Sirui continues to impress. The new 3-lens set is available for pre-order at around $1,849, making it one of the most affordable full-frame cinema lens kits in this category. Buying comparable cinema lenses from premium brands would often cost several times more. The kit also includes a rugged waterproof hard case, adding extra value for filmmakers who frequently travel or work on location. Overall, the Sirui VP-1 Vision Prime expansion makes this lens family far more complete. The addition of the ultra-wide 15mm, the fast 75mm portrait lens, and the dedicated 150mm macro gives filmmakers access to a much broader range of creative options without leaving the VP-1 ecosystem. Combined with interchangeable mounts, professional cinema controls, full-frame coverage, low focus breathing, and competitive pricing, these lenses represent an excellent option for independent filmmakers, YouTube creators, documentary producers, commercial videographers, and anyone building an affordable cinema kit. So, should you buy the new Sirui VP-1 Vision Prime 15mm, 75mm, and 150mm lenses? If you're looking for premium cinema features without premium cinema prices, the answer is yes. They won't replace high-end cinema lenses costing several $1,000s each, but they deliver remarkable value and a professional filmmaking experience that many creators can actually afford. For budget-conscious filmmakers who want manual cinema lenses with consistent performance across multiple camera systems, the Sirui VP-1 series is becoming one of the strongest options available today.